Hi guys! So, haggard pa tayo for today's video. Tapos, kakagising lang na tayo. No. Ano pala, naglaban na ako. Tapos, naglinis na din ako. So, for today's video, wala lang. Skincare lang tayo. Para hindi na naman tayo mukhang tsaka-tsaka face. Tsaka-tsaka face. So, ganun pala talaga pag nasa bahay ka lang na. Tawag dito. Wala nang. Wala kang time para sa sarili mo kasi parang lahat non-stop yung gawain, non-stop talaga. Kasi pag nakita mong kalat, kailangan mong linisin, diba? Parang ganun pala talaga na. Tapos wala ka ng time sa sarili mo kasi wala lang. So, today is second day of holiday. Wala kaming pasok for 1 week, guys. Wala kaming pasok. That's why quarantine tayo for today. 2 days quarantine na to. So, this is what I did. About, kasi may nagsabi na English lang daw ako. So, I need to speak English so that they can understand. So, finish na tayo sa sa toner. Kahit ano lang guys, ano ka na sa sarili ko. Kasi wala nang pag-asa to unless, 'di ba, i-laser natin. So, we don't have a budget right now. And after that, I use this one. This one. Ay, hindi siya maano. Hindi siya basta. I use this one, what green caviar skin perfecting tint. So, bibili lang to sa Watson for only 895 pesos, 'di ba? So, kailangan nating magpaganda kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. Char, para sa sarili natin, 'di ba? Oh, I need to speak English. That's why I put the sunscreen on my face and doing like this. For today's video, I need to speak English alone. Sorry guys, but I'm not fluent in English and what? Even in pronunciation, I'm not good in pronunciation. That's why a lot of people keep bullying me because the way I speak, the way I pronounce. But I do my best to learn naman. I do my best to learn, and sometimes I ask my husband to teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to pronounce the words very carefully ba? Very well. The way I use sentences and everything. Guys, for today's video English lang tayo then. I add more sunscreen and I put in this one in my holes in my face. Na-enjoy ako to put holes on. That's all. That's all lang guys. So, okay na, diba? Kasi, pupunta na tayo sa rooftop. May ibibilad ako dun. So, I need sunscreen, diba? Ang arte. And the purpose of this video talaga, guys, is what? Trying my English. Trying my how to speak English in one video. That's all. For the rest of my video, maybe I what? Let me try and speak English. Maybe very soon, diba? I do English tutorial. Sure! That's why. So, bye! Thank you for today's video, guys. Sana na-enjoy kayo. Sana you enjoy. And please keep watch and support and follow me. That's English lang. Bye! Thank you for watching.